Dear international students and international education consultants, this is the fifth part of my videos and very important part of this series, that is financial requirements. So whenever you apply for student visa or you want to apply for admission, universities, colleges, your sponsors will be taking a lot of care that financially you are strong. And then once you will be applying even for visa, it is important part of your application, main part of your application according to UKVI, that is your financial requirements. So financial requirement mean that when you want to apply for UK visa, so your tuition fee and your maintenance money is your financial requirement. So you can pay your tuition fee as a whole or partially, but you need to prove that you have living expenditures in your personal account or in the account of your parents or your sponsor. So we can categorize UK into two parts, one inside London and then outside London. So there are 32 boroughs in London apart from city of London. So city of London is an other borough, so there are 33 boroughs. If your institution, your educational establishment is situated in London, in these 33 boroughs, then you are studying inside London. Elsewhere, anywhere in the UK is outside London. So if you are studying in London, then how your this financial requirement will be calculated? For London, you need to show that, let's suppose you are coming for 1 month, so £1,334, and you need to show up to 9 months. So whether your course is for up to 4 years, 5 years, you need to show up to 9 months. So if you are coming for 1 month, so you need to show that you retain £1,334 continuously for 28 days in your account. And if it is for 9 months, so you can multiply it with 9, that will be £12,600. And if it is elsewhere, anywhere in the UK, you are studying in Birmingham, you are studying in Glasgow, Wales, wherever, then it is £1,023 per month, and up to 9, if you will multiply 1023 into 9, so it will be £9,207. So always round it up. If there are months, days are included. Let's suppose your course is for 4 months and 2 days, so consider it 5 months. This is good for you. So this is amount which should retain in your account for 28 days. Yes, if you have paid, let's suppose you are going for halls of residence, accommodation, and if you pay some money, so yes, you can show through receipts, but always try that if you pay tuition fee, that should be on your cash letter. If you pay accommodation fee, that should be on your cash letter, because that is the real official document by which your entry clearance officer, your visa officer will be checking through electronically. So it's very, very important. Another thing that if you are already in UK and you have accomplished 12 months in the UK, then you don't need to show any bank statement. This is extra additional benefit for those who are already in the UK. Another thing, if you are applying as student union sabbatical officer or as a doctor or dentist in training on a recognized foundation program, then again you don't need to show any bank statement. If you have stayed in the UK less than 12 months or you are applying outside the UK, then you need to show your full bank statement. And if you cannot show your full bank statement, it will be a problematic for you. So, but always care to show full bank statement in this situation. So once you are showing all this stuff, always be very careful that your all documents should be in proper format as UK VI format. If you have certificate of deposits, so normally you should avoid that. But if the certificate of deposit have been issued by a bank and confirms that the individual has deposited or invested sum of money and the funds have been held for the required 28 days period and the applicant can access the funds at any time, so possibility is there, but that is under compelled situation. Always try to show proper bank statement. Loans are also acceptable in some countries. Some students, they can apply loan to study abroad, and then again the funds should be transferred to your name and should be available and ready to use. Sometimes the money is not retained at your name, or it is only guarantee that you are going to get this loan. That is not acceptable. So always try that these funds, these loans are transferred at your personal name, or you have applied and given to the university directly. So if you pay university directly, then it will be comparatively much more easier for you for student visa. And if it is not paid, so then it could be a problem for you and your visa could be rejected. So it's very, very important that all these funds should be at your name or transferred to the universities in regard of your accommodation fee. Hopefully it helps. I'll continue for further, and sometimes these funds could be put on your partner's name, parents' name, so guardian's name. So we will discuss this definitely in future. Thank you very much.